Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Slay the Spire 2 connection error, network error, multiplayer error or error 5008 on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Slay the Spire 2 server status. You can check the X website, subreddit website and the megacrit.com. It is a official website. So you can check the X web page of the Slay the Spire 2 for the server status. See if anyone is having the problem or not. You can also check this official website and go to the news section and check, or you can also go to the subreddit of the Slay the Spire and check if anybody is having the issue or not. If you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or they are having a downtime, then you have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. Now if their server status is online and if still you are facing the problem, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection and then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app and then click on browse all apps. Now browse to the game installation folder. So you have to browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then open the Slay the Spire 2 folder. And then select Slay the Spire 2 exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app and then click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Slay the Spire 2 game folder and then select the Slay the Spire 2 exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well and then check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 2 is to run the game as an administrator. So go to the game installation folder, C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Slay the Spire 2 game folder. Then right click on Slay the Spire 2 exe file. You have to just right click on it and then select run as administrator and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to restart your Wi-Fi router or modem and then check. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. Now if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Fix 5 is to flush DNS. So in Windows search, type cmd and run the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to enter this code one by one. I will provide this code in my video description so that you can easily copy and paste it. So paste it over here and then hit on enter. Now copy the second code, paste it over here and then enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So just close it and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and tasks. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi. Then click on properties. Now select the Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Now check mark use the following DNS server address and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Slay the Spire 2 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Slay the Spire 2 game and then select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been completed, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix it is to try VPN. So you can connect to a VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare, etc. and then check. You can download the free version of this VPN from the internet, and then you can connect to a different location and then launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Slay the Spire 2 connection error, network error, multiplayer error, or 5008 error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.